Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. Today, you guys, I get to do a super sweet video. 3 of my members sent me out packages this week and they all arrived within a couple of days of each other. This doesn't happen very often. So I thought I would do the unboxing in a video. So if you want to see what they sent me, stay tuned. So before I open any of the packages, first I want to say a big thank you to Rebecca, Robin, and Julie. Thank you guys so much for even thinking about me. Just to have me in your mind in a positive way blesses my soul. But then for the fact that you guys actually took the time and picked out something for me to send it to me, just really means a lot to me. And these are precious pieces that I will keep forever, whatever they are. So let me go ahead and get into opening these. So this first one is from Rebecca. And Rebecca does not play around with packaging her stuff. This is like Fort Knox, girlfriend. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Oh my dear Lord. Oh my God, it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me take this thing out. You guys have got to see this. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful building. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh. And look at the okay, now I think I'm going to have to show you guys a tiny little sneak peek of my village, because the same pattern that is on the top of this roof is the pattern that I'm doing in my town square, and it's already done. It's a perfect match. It's absolutely stunning. I will bring you guys in for a closer look of this. Look at how stunning this is. Now this is a Department 56 piece, and it has so much detail. Look at the wreaths and garland in this ceramic work. The pillars are stunning. And there's the little statues in the wall niches here. And look at the little wrought iron fence over here. I love these shapes of buildings. Let me show you from the top, because it is a corner piece. And I love these styles. You don't have to use it in a corner, but if you ever needed a corner piece, these are like the perfect shapes to get for that. But look at the pattern on this roof, and then look at the pattern in the cobblestone that I just did in my town square. It is such a great match. So here is the side view, and the back view. Look at how cute the little door is in there with the steps leading up to it. And of course, Department 56 always has their bulbs down beneath at the bottom, which I absolutely love, because then it's so much easier to hide the cords when they just are right underneath. Oh, look at these windows with the garland on the sides. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. This is such a stunning building. Oh my gosh, I did not even notice this little detail up here until right now. When I was looking up here, I was too busy looking at the pattern on this roof. But look at that. That is so cute. And the emblems in here. Oh, it's just stunning. Just absolutely stunning. All right, so this second one is from Robin. And I have absolutely no idea what this is. Oh. You guys really do listen to me. So Rebecca sent me this one, you guys, because she remembered me saying a long time ago that I wanted a official looking courthouse building with big pillars in the front of it, because I wanted that to be a statement piece in my civic center area. And so she found that and sent that to me. And now I was sharing, I can't even remember when I said it. I know I've said it a few times in some videos in the past that I really wanted this particular building. And let me just get this thing out of the box. So this is the other piece that I have been wanting to add to my collection for quite some time. The chandelier that you can see a little bit better on the outside of the box in this thing is so stunning. It looks so realistic, and I absolutely love this piece. I have seen it in person. I've wanted it for a while, and oh my gosh, now I have it. I am just overwhelmed right now. All right, so I wanted to turn this one on so you guys can see this in action. So this top piece did come separate. I did just pop that in place. It snaps in. So this whole top piece comes on and off, and that is what the chandelier is actually attached to. But look inside. Everybody dancing, having a great time. Oh, they're so beautiful. And I just love the outside of this, the brick, the flower beds, the little sign. And even on the side here, these pieces came separate. So you have two of the little floral urns, and then this bench that goes here on this side. And then on the opposite side, you have a little sundial that also came with this. So the piece is just so stunning. It is gorgeous. Oh, and it does play music. Let me turn it up so you guys can hear that. All right, so this last one is from Julie, and look at how sweet even the address label is that she did. You guys just really know me and all of the little details and stuff that you know that I would really like. That's just too cute. Why don't you go have lunch first? The chicken is still in the refrigerator. Okay. Make yourself a plate and then you can... Thank you so very much, Julie. This is so sweet and so precious. And I absolutely love this card, and it is going on my desk in my office. You guys, I am a card keeper. I have cards that are like 20 years old, and I keep them in a few different shoe boxes. And I pull them out every now and again, and I'm super sentimental that way. And I just read through them over the years from different loved ones. she's beautiful, but her head broke in the shipping. But it's okay. It's a clean break. I can fix this. Oh, she's stunning. Oh, look at how beautiful she is. Oh, look at her pretty face, baby girl.
Whoa.
Isn't she beautiful?
Are you gonna hang it up on the tree?
No, this doesn't go on the tree, but this is going in the Christmas decor this year. And I think I know exactly where I want to put her this year. Well, 2 places. She's either going to go on my Lazy Susan on my large kitchen island. I always do a small little Christmas display there of a few different things. Either that or on my mantle. And she's perfect. She is absolutely beautiful, Julie. Thank you so very much. She is just absolutely stunning and I love her. And she's all white, which goes with my all white theme this year. It's just, look at you guys. You guys are so good. She's beautiful and I love her. And I'm going to get her head put back on. I'm going to go get some special glue for her. And I don't want to use hot glue for this attachment. I want something a little bit more seamless. And I'll get her put back together. But thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me today. Thank you, Rebecca, Julie, and Robin, for making this a special day for me and a special moment that I'll always get to cherish and have pieces that every time I look at them, I will always be reminded of you and your generosity and your love towards me. And that truly just warms my heart and I'll be forever grateful. So thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions for me, leave me a line in the comment section and I will get back with you. And until I see you again, stay safe. God bless you. And I will either see you on Monday or Friday. Bye.